Hi everybody, sorry I haven't been around. I've had the sickness bug that's going around. I was in the middle of playing with some little bits, and I haven't been in here for nearly a week, to be quite honest. But I went shopping instead. Well, not instead, I've been shopping anyway. So I'll show you what I've got. I've been to Temu. I'm really getting bad for Temu. And I bought some, if I can get it out. Oh. Broken. Oh my God. Mirror glass. So that will be getting used in my... Oh, look at that. Actual mirror. Ooh, it's a better one you can fit in here. Oh, it does. It does. There we go. So that's my broken mirror glass that I'll be using. I'll use that in something. I'll leave it under here so you can see. I saw these little lights and I thought, oh, they look good. They're tiny. I thought they were big things, but they are tiny. Lots of little ones. I think you can, I don't know, can you link them up somehow? No, I don't think you can. I think you just sort of like put your black and your red wire or whatever either side and connect it up. Not what I was expecting. Bought some more fairy lights. These are different to what I've got. These are in packs of 5s or 10s by the looks of it. I don't know how many I've got here. But I know I'd literally run out of these bright light ones. Sorry for the noise. I'd run out of the bright light ones. But these ones... I've got a little, I think, yeah, a little on off. Oh, they flash. Oh, wow. Well, I didn't realise that. They got 3 settings to them by the looks of it. Yeah, and off. So you've got a little settings button here, button. And then your little thing goes in there. The only thing is you're going to have to be very careful with the wire, I think. If you're going to use this, it's going to have to come right up, or going to have to find some sort of sleeving to put on there so it doesn't break. Where'd that come from? That came from in there, didn't it? Yeah. So I bought a load of them because I've got some fairy lights left, but they're the soft ones. So I got a load of them, and I got some more bezels because I've literally run out. Just gold and silver. I only really use the silver. I don't know why I buy gold. And I bought these ones. I thought these will be different. They don't look as good as what they did on the actual website. Oh, they just do. They're very crystallisy. Then go get the camera. You can see them shining. Glistening. So yeah, so I thought I'd have a go at them. And then I thought I've got to buy some moulds, haven't I? So I bought 3. Bought this one. And this one is the Mini Connect 4. So I thought that will be interesting to do, to see if it all goes together and if it works. So that's Connect 4. This one is, yeah, Scrabble. So you've got all your letters and your board, and then obviously you make a couple of these. So that's Scrabble. Well, that's something different because I haven't seen people make these. And And last but no means least, you've got to make 4 of these to make a game. And it's, I don't even know what you call it. It's the one where you start at home and you go back round and... I don't know what it's called. I don't know what game it is. I just know it's a game. So, this is just... I don't even know if you're supposed to fill them bits in. I really don't know. Have not a clue. I don't think so. Don't know what they're on there for. Oh, you suppose you must do. You must have to fill the whole thing, mustn't you? And that's the counters. So yeah, you would have to fill that bit in, I suppose, because I suppose if you land there, you go straight across there if you land there. Excuse me? Excuse me, madam? My cat's decided to come and say hello for a change. What you doing, old girl? This is Lacey. This is my old girl. She's in her 20s. And she's getting a little bit mischievous as she gets older. Yeah, you're coming down, I think. You're not going all the way over there. Sorry, I've knocked you on the phone. There you go. So now you've met me cat as well. But yeah, so you make 4 of them. I suppose you make yellow, green, red, blue, pink, whatever colours you want, I suppose. So I thought I've not seen anybody make these ones. Not games. And I thought I'd make them. So yeah, so that's my little Temu haul. Not bad, is it? Anyway, I can't wait to make these things. And I'll see you soon. Alright, ta-da!